Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tone down this bright red wig into a more subtle burgundy color. So first you're going to need a large bowl, fill it with hot water. It doesn't have to be boiled, just tap hot water. Then you pour the dye in. I'm using the Adore Mahogany hair color. Just pour it into the hot water. I also added conditioner, which really wasn't needed, but it didn't hurt. So I just mix it, and now I'm just testing the hair and the dye to see what color is going to turn. And then once I like that, I just dip the whole hair into the bowl and I just sink it in and out, like pull it in and out to make sure it's saturated everywhere. And then once that's done, I just leave it in the entire bowl for it to soak for about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, and it's looking like the whole thing have turned. Then I rinse it out with conditioner. Yeah, so I'm liking the color so far. I rinsed it out with conditioner, lukewarm water, and this is the final look, guys. I love it. I got so many compliments on this wig. Love. Like, the color just came out so perfect. Once again, this is the Adore Mahogany color. I will link it down below. I got mine from Amazon, but they also have it at the beauty supply store. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.